Chapter 9. Subtraction up to 10. Kanika has 3 paper boats. She puts all 3 paper boats into the river to float. Oh no! 2 of the paper boats sink in the water. How many paper boats are left? Let's count. 3 paper boats minus 2 paper boats equals 1 paper boat. Great! You've learned the method of subtraction. Subtraction, horizontal. Let's learn subtraction using lines. Let's try to solve 5 minus 2. Are you ready? First, we draw 5 lines. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we take away 2 lines. Let's cancel them. 1, 2. How many lines are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Great job. Subtraction, vertical. Let's try to solve 6 minus 3. Are you ready? First, we draw 6 lines. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we take away 3 lines. Let's cancel them. 1, 2, 3. How many lines are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Excellent. You're a great learner.